Chinese authorities said they sortied ships and aircraft to track, monitor, verify, identify and expel a U.S. warship from the Paracel Island chain in the South China Sea on Tuesday, People's Liberation Army or PLA officials said on Chinese social media. Navy officials confirmed to USNI News that guided missile destroyer USS Barry DDG-52 conducted a freedom of navigation operation in the vicinity of the island chain off Vietnam. A day after Barry's April 22 transit, the Chinese Liaoning Carrier Strike Group also transited the Taiwan Strait. In addition to the presence operations, the destroyer has been active in the South China Sea operating with guided missile cruiser USS Bunker Hill CG-52, and amphibious assault ship USS America LHA-6 off the coast of Malaysia near an ongoing dispute over mineral exploration between Malaysia and China. While the official didn't provide details of the FONOP, previous operations in the vicinity of the Paracels have tested Beijing's claim to a territorial strait baseline around the island chain in conflict with international maritime law. China views the water between their island holdings not as open international water but as territorial Chinese sea, a view that the U.S. disputes. The chain is also claimed by Vietnam and Taiwan. Both Washington and Beijing have accused the other side of using the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic as a distraction to exercise more military control in the South China Sea. The FONOP from the Japan-based Barry closely follows the destroyer transiting the Taiwan Strait twice this month, drawing similar reactions from Beijing.